This is my Trusco ST-350, made in Japan cantilever box. Torque adapters and crow's feet. Here's a Schley Products 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch drive, long torque adapter. The biggest feeler gauge I can get in there is 8 thousandths or 0.2 millimeters. So these Schley products are very good. It's a big open end snap-on 1 1/8. So snap-on SAE 12-point spline. Oh, it's this size, not This is a Kent Moore tool, 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. It's Kent Moore USA, part number N-49191. And that's a military little adapter on there. This is, I don't know if this is custom made or if this is from the factory, Ghidorah. But it's a modified wrench with a 1/2 inch drive welded on there, and has this on it, KDEP 1120. It's a number 4, a modified number 4. Little snap-on 7/8 12-point crowfoot. This is a Ghidorah for putting a L key on one of their torque wrenches that takes this kind, which I don't have, but we got some big snap-on crow feet. Uh, 2 1/2, 2 1/16, and 1 15/16. Some big 12-point snap-on. This is just, I don't know who this is made. It's got an AN part number though. 2 11/16. Another AN part number, might be made by Snap-on. 1 11/16. 1 11/16. No wait, that's 1 11/16, and that's 1 15/16. Two more U.S. military 2-inch snap-on 2 13/16. And then this thing is a Plomb Plomb 2 15/16, part number 1924. And look at that, it's got 2 1/2 inch drives. Isn't that crazy? I've never seen another one like it. And then I've got my Snap-on SAE 12-point spline torque adapters, 3/8 drive on a Koken rail. I pieced these together from used ones off eBay. And then also we got this torque adapter wrench rocket initiator. This is for a rocket ejection seat from a fighter jet, JAX. That's a, I believe that's a Japanese Air Force base. But a US base in Japan, or something. And I guess that's it. I can show you some more 12-point fasteners. This guy's Inconel 718, plated. This is H11 tool steel. Very good fit. This is precipitation hardening 13.8, or XM13 in military parlance. What size this guy is? Thanks for watching.